made the cut that I've been wanting to do. That video's going out right away today. That's going to go out today. That is the video that I've been trying to make, and it was so easy. All right, Dad Random here. Got the RUKO F11PRO 2, and I've been trying to get this thing up in the air and get a full flight, but had a little trouble. So I think I've got it nailed. So, all right. Item 1, takeoff. So we've got a launch pad. We've got fully charged batteries. And we should be able to fly. So, yeah, this is one of those drones where it takes you a couple times to get everything kind of ironed out. One thing I can't do for sure, and this I gotta remind myself, is you can't just roll, and you just can't fly and go. You can't just roll with video. You can't just crank it out, because it's if you're using a Mac specifically, it's hard to get the video footage off. So so what I got to do is I got to shoot in waves, basically. All right, so we're video, everything should be good. Hey, everything's good here. I'm going to launch from here because this is going to reduce magnetic interference. I am not going to do any kind of adjustment, and we're going to fly. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Take off, and we have to shoot, remember, in waves. So I'm going to make sure I record the my screen here. Takeoff was very smooth. I'm just letting the drone take care of itself. Magnetic interference minimal. And let's see, we recording? Yep, we're recording. I just got to remember to record in pieces. So I'm going straight out, guys. I'm not messing around. I'm going straight out. I love the sun this time of year. It's so low and everything's lit up, especially this direction right out there. So you'll note, if you look at the footage out there, everything's good. Told you I can only shoot in. I'm going to shoot in like maybe 1 minute increments. So I'm going to start and stop the footage, and I should be able to use my button here, this left button now, right there. Let's go ahead and shut it off. We're still going. Now we're recording again. There we go. So this button right here, and then the other one's photograph. And we're definitely going to take a picture. Guys, I have to stop and take an image. I have to take a picture. It's too pretty today. So this is a photographic flight. This is completely image quality, and you can tell that I've got the system down finally. Looks like everything's good. We've got very little interference. Takeoff was great. Yeah, RUKO. All right. Guys, the big problem is anytime you fly a different bird, that's, first of all, make sure you use this card right here. This is your quick reference card. And, all right. Once again, I'm taking incremental video shots, okay? So, wow, it's so pretty out there. It's such a great day. I'm gonna drop every drone should, this is like the greatest camera test ever right here. I'm gonna get another image, photograph. Okay, so You know, say you stop and you wanted to knock out a couple of real cool photographs of an area just like this. There we go, taking a picture. Now, gimbal's right, picture's left. I wish they'd flip that around because most of us pilots are used to the other way around. Now, I'm getting to the point where I'm probably far enough out, and I'm really seeing no problems. I'm flying in what they call their cinematic mode or their normal mode, whatever. There is a speed button on the center. I am in sport gear now, so that's sport. And we're just gonna go right out in that beautiful scenery. I gotta be careful, like I said, I'm mesmerized by how awesome it is today. I've flown a lot of drones this direction, so. And I'm very conscious at taking multiple clips. I got a 128 gigabit card, high speed card. Hopefully it's good enough. I think it's time to turn around. And I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna bring the drone back. All right, it's time to bring her back. Eating a lot of battery today, so I'm just gonna bring her back full speed. And that is our home point right there. There we go. Very little wind today. Thought I had this battery charged to the hilt, but that's okay. So we're gonna go turn the camera or the video off. And we're just coming straight back. All right. So we got our footage. We got what we needed. I'm gonna bring it down low. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring us down low. Get some ground effects. There we go. And you get some of those shadows, those images. 4K 30. All right, Dad Random, RUKO F11PRO 2. And you can see by the setup and launch that everything went great. Okay, we drop our speed down. Battery management looks good. Take it right back, taking it right back. That's not bad at all for having a battery that really wasn't full. I've got 2 other batteries, and I was in a hurry to get out here to get this footage. So, all right, that was great. It was a short flight, but it was amazing. All right, F11 F11PRO 2. And this thing is supposed to have an updated camera and a Sony sensor. Yeah, we're just, guys, we're at 30%. That was quite a flight. I would say pretty dang easy. I'm gonna bring it right at us. All right, there she is right there. I got to turn that off. I'm hoping, guys, I'm hoping I've got all of the, there we go. Pull it back, pull it back, pull it back. All right. Okay, let's bring it back, and then let's get a little bit of video of us here. There we go, a little bit of us. Okay, a little area reveal right there. So that's what we're flying into right there. That beautiful scenery out there. All right, let's land it. Let's land it. That is actually a great example of what I would call a flight where you got to get out and get some footage, and it actually worked pretty dang good. That was very smooth. I think the key. Let's just turn that off, that camera off. All right, let me shut down some stuff. I got to get my video under control here. All right, let's go ahead. Right, so there it is. RUKO F11 Gim 2. I think that's the cut. I think I just made the cut that I've been wanting to do. That video's going out right away today. That's going to go out today. That is the video that I've been trying to make, and it was so easy. And you know, RUKO, I think, is doing a really good job with their battery management. I mean, these nice big batteries, either 300 milliamp. Go turn that off. They're really handy controller, easy to use. And like I said, I'm tickled. That was a great flight. I am happy. I'm happy for once. I'm finally happy. Oh, that was great. Oh, you know, when a good flight happens with good video, now I gotta pray that I got that footage. So, all right. So wish me luck, guys. But that is the RUKO F11 Pro 2 right there, nice and compact, 350 gram. This is not sub 250. You would have to register this with the FAA. That's no problem. Okay, register it. You can attach one of their RID units on it. I do use an RID unit. Okay, 99.9% of the time. If I am flying an FPV quad, I use their RID unit. Hold on here, let me go grab it really quick. Everything is all ready. I also have their charger too. They have their charger. There's their RID unit right there. But gosh, that one really went well. I'm very happy with that flight. Super happy. Because that's really a lot of us, that's all the time we have. It's like, oh, look at this beautiful day. You know, just I want to get some quick footage. And that was like NASCAR quick, you know, NASCAR quick. You know, everything was ready. I already had my gimbal gimbal sticks on. But remember, always have this handy just in case you don't remember something. I didn't know, because I didn't do any calibration whatsoever. I took off right from here, from the patented random takeoff position right there. And yes, all right, dead random for RUKO. Guys, I think you did a great job with this. I really do. Really think you did a great job. I mean, how hard was that? Hardly at all. All right. Thank you, dead random. For RUKO F11 Pro 2. Yes. Get one. Right.